Yes, really. We're gonna watch something truly amazing happen outside. Alright. Alright, so yeah, my dad's got a kite. We have two Nemo kites in this garage here. Oh, this is my cool new bike I got. My birthday. My first bike I had when I was riding, well, I used to ride bikes, got stolen. So now I got this one, so it's all good. But it's got a flat tire, we gotta replace it. There's a new mower we got. I've now starting to mow lawns. Oh, see that? There's the second one we got. Yeah. Yeah, sad. I know it's weird. Why we have two, you're probably asking, why do I have two Nemo kites? Oh, here he goes. Oh, frick, I missed it. Hold up. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up. We got it. And Nemo is, oh, he's still flying. He's still flying. Oh, let me get the tree. And he's dead. Congratulations, Julia. You killed Nemo. Yep. My dad and sister both killed Nemo. Congrats. Anyway. Yeah. We have boxes and stuff. So back to... We got a sled. Wait, why? Why are we putting it back in?
I don't want to hurt my leg.
Okay. So yeah.
Don't want to push it too far, not my leg.
Yeah. Daryl's getting back from Texas on Sunday.
Hi.
So that'll be fun. I went to Ethan's house. He's not there.
Man, that's just nuts. This whole summer, he's not been over one day.
That's okay. We'll get back into it. It's school next week. He'll start coming on Saturdays. He's gonna get stuff like that. Hey, right thing, I wasn't going over there. I was doing my own stuff with football. Yeah, but he's mentioning about my friend Ethan. I have this friend named Ethan, lives in my neighborhood. He hasn't been, we usually hang out, but this summer he wasn't available because of family stuff. I wasn't really available because I had football and camps and stuff. Also, I went to Texas. That was fun, except I had the worst 4th of July ever because the area we were in Texas didn't have fireworks. So, yeah. I mean, there were fireworks on TV, but that's just sad. So yeah, as you can so I didn't watch them. I watched me some Duck Dynasty. But yeah, so well, I got you. I guess I'll show you my garage. So here we got this stuff. This is Ethan's gaming chair. We're gonna get that started up again in September. This is my dad's filter box, as he does filters for inland. So that's how we got to go to Texas, is filter money. So, also my mom's real estate money. Oh, look it! We got Scary the Scarecrow. He'll be coming out this October. You'll get to see him in some videos. I'll be filming as well on Halloween. Yeah, this is going to be a great year of filming, guys. This is also, you'll see this guy and Christmas as well as a bunch of other stuff. This is an old chest. These are two, well, this is a freezer. That's a refrigerator with a freezer. Yeah, so we got two freezers. We got sleeping bags. We got some sleds that we'll probably use if it dares to snow, I guess. So, there's my dog's old cage. Well, also my cat. My cat used to go in there. Oh, look at them. He also have the Santa sign. Dear Santa, please stop here. And I don't know what any of this stuff is. This is, yeah, we got this thing. Got this. Yeah. I don't know what else to show you guys. Of course, it's the garage door, so, yeah. It's my dad's Kia. That's the truck we use to carry the filters. I might show you guys soon how my dad delivers the filters, because once a month, actually I probably won't be able to film it, because I have to put the filter, but every once in a while, me We'll wake up early in the morning, and my sister will get in the back, and we will put filters back here and stuff. We're at a total of 96 filters, I think. That's what he told me. 96 filters will go in there. Or was it 56? 96, 56, I don't know. So yes, that's pretty much all I got for you guys right for now. I'll probably film later if something interesting happens, which it probably won't. It's pretty basic today. My life isn't that exciting as it is. Like, the only time I really get out is for football right now. That's why I'm looking forward to school, because, you know, for once I'll get out for something other than football and church. That's all I'm getting out of the house for now, is football and church. Like this Sunday. This Sunday I will be going river rafting. But other than that... Oh. My sister's still attempting... Joya! Are you still attempting to fly it? You're murdering Nemo! That is Nemo you're murdering! Yeah, I know. Yep, there she goes. Huh. I can't see it. Is it in the... Nope. It fell down. Yep, she's murdering Nemo. And, yeah. So pretty basic. This is my front yard. Yeah, I'm just randomly filming stuff, guys. I have no idea what to film exactly, but, yeah, so these are two... Well, look, check this out, though. If you do not have this in your house, I don't know. You should probably get this. This is a pretty cool setup we have right here. Yeah. Got a trash can right there at the bench. Over here we got some handprint stones we made 4 years ago for Mother's Day. There's a little bird bath we got for birdies. Oh. I'm also starting to collect these, we got a broken bench.
I'll be back.
You're leaving?
I'll meet Mom at Fred Meyer.
Okay, shopping day. Alright, I see it. Okay, I'll shut the garage door, yeah. So there's a duck, and over here, we got this duck. This one I got at a garage sale that was for free. The lady was generous to say it was for free. I think it would have costed money if it was anything else, but yeah. Whee! And this one I got at Renaissance. Not Renaissance. I went to this thing, I guess, my dad took me to. So I was able to get this one also. Here you got bushes and stuff like that. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. So I'll check back with you guys later. Okay, bye.